In this video, I'll show you how to cancel Starz subscription on Roku. Step 1. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Press the home button, the house icon, on your Roku remote to open the main menu. Step 2. Highlight the Starz channel. Use the arrows key to navigate to the Starz channel, but do not open it. Step 3. Open the options menu. Press the star button on your Roku remote to open the options menu. Step 4. Manage subscription. Select Manage subscription from the options menu. Step 5. Cancel subscription. Choose Cancel subscription and follow the prompt to confirm cancellation. Step 6. An alternative method to cancel is via the Roku website. Go to my.roku.com and sign in. Click on Manage your subscriptions in your account settings. Select Starz and click Unsubscribe to cancel. Step 7. Check billing source. If you subscribed through Amazon, Hulu, Apple, or another provider, you need to cancel your Starz subscription there instead. Now I have some tips and notes for you. Canceling stops the future billing but does not remove the Starz app from your device. So if you want to remove the Starz device, you will have to delete it separately. You will retain access until the end of your current billing cycle. Keep cancellation confirmation emails for reference. And that's how you cancel your Starz subscription on Roku. If you found this video helpful, subscribe.